the Bent Carbies. Today we're going to be showing this Exotics 5-pack. You have the exotic Pagani Huayra, the exotic Lamborghini Aventador J, you have the exotic Porsche 911 GT2, and the Lotus Esprit, and the Alfa Romeo HC Competition.
Right, what day is it? How'd you get this?
Today on my stocking.
Look at the camera a little bit.
Today at my stocking.
Got it from your stocking. It's Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's open this bad boys up. You need me to get it started?
Yeah.
Let me see. All right, just show them real quick.
This, ooh, look at this bad boy. Like that white color.
All right, do the next one.
The blue. My dad's favorite color is blue. The blue Lamborghini Aventador.
Oh, that's my favorite. Look, it's a drop top.
It's a roadster.
That is a bad boy right there.
Yeah. Porsche 911 GT2 in green. This one's pretty cool because
It'd be a good track car, wouldn't it?
there's that little front end, maybe. I think it doesn't stick out very far. This one's cool because they create headlights interior. That's pretty cool. Lotus Esprit S1 in black. Old rims.
Looks like an old car, doesn't it?
Yeah, I didn't make them.
I don't know.
That has that little front end. So I'm going to be drag on track time. Alfa Romeo HC Competition.
Okay, out of these 5, which one's your favorite? You gotta pick one.
The Pagani. I think I like these two. I think I like
My
these two.
favorite's the blue one.
The blue.
All right. That was the Exotics 5-pack, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
All right, we're gonna do track time with these later?
Yes.
All right, sounds good. What are you gonna say?
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.